Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone color inversion mode setting, how to disable. Friends, you can see this type of setting as everything is different in your phone, and how can you disable this setting in your Redmi mobile. Today I will show you guys in this video how to disable color inversion. So we call it guys color inversion setting, and if you want to disable your color inversion means guys you want to off it, you don't want to use this setting, you can disable. And friends, now let's see how to disable color inversion in a Redmi mobile. First of all, open your phone setting to disable it, then guys scroll it. Guys, click on phone additional setting, guys, tap here. Again scroll. Accessibility setting, guys, tap here. Then guys, again scroll. Guys, you can see color inversion setting, guys, tap here. Then guys, your setting will disable in your phone, and guys, you cannot use this color inversion setting you want to use. So you will have to, and guys, you will have to enable again it. Then guys, you can use. Guys, you can see everything is fine in your phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We will meet on next video. Bye, friends.